Hi everyone, my name is Lena Nguyen. I'm a family law attorney licensed in Texas and California. Today we're going to be talking about common law marriage. Common law marriage is also referred to as an informal marriage. It is legal in Texas, but it is not in California. However, California recognizes common law marriages that were created in states that recognizes them. This is also true across all other states. A marriage that is legally recognized in one state will be recognized in other states. So for instance, if you were living in Texas when you got married and then you moved to California, California can grant you a divorce and consider your marriage valid if you met all the requirements for a Texas common law marriage. An informal marriage in Texas is formed if the following requirements are met. Number one, the parties agreed to be married. The evidence must show that there was an agreement for the spouses to be married. This does not have to be a written contract. It can be deduced from evidence such as the parties were living together, they filed tax returns together, and there are other overt acts that married couples actually partake in. A marriage proposal and the gift of an engagement ring is not enough to prove that the parties agreed to be married. Number two, the parties must live together in Texas as a married couple. So the parties must live together. This is also referred to as cohabitation. It is not enough that the couple has sexual relations under the same roof. The couple must provide evidence such as the couple resided in the home together for an extended amount of time, both parties helped maintain the home, and personal belongings were kept in the home. Number three, the parties must represent to others that they are married. This is referred to as holding out. So the parties should not be doing anything to try to keep their marriage a secret. Applications such as loan applications where the parties indicated that they were married, signing a card to others as a married couple, and their reputation in the community as a married couple are some of the ways in which this factor can be proven. Telling only some of their friends that they're married is not enough. And lastly, both parties must be adults. Unlike formal marriages, both parties must be at least 18 years of age. Common law marriages receive the same status as ceremonial marriages. If common law marriage is proven, the parties are given all of the same rights as if they had a ceremonial marriage. A ceremonial marriage or a formal marriage is when the parties obtained a marriage license and conducted a marriage ceremony. Thus, in both cases, in the event of a divorce, the division of assets and child custody will follow the same exact laws.
Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you live in Texas and would like a free self-help divorce kit, please check the description box below to sign up.